Soon as we enter the application, we see the logo MEER and also the entrance and registration in our application. And on registration and login, you write your mail and come up with a password. When we go into application, we see 4 pictures, which means 4 different sections. So let's say we click it on a square academic hat. Then it will show the page where students will search for a tutor and gain enough number of school children. Then the tutor can assign them a free lesson at certain time. And if we press a person with a raised hand, then this section belongs only to tutors, more precisely their schedule of lessons and etc. And third one is for school supplies. And fourth one is profile of users.